If you eat kiwi fruit every day, here's what happens to your body. These are things doctors don't usually tell you. Welcome to radiant skin. Kiwi fruit is rich in vitamin C, the secret weapon in the fight against skin aging. They're also the superheroes of your immune system. Their antioxidants protect you from viruses and free radicals. Before I tell you about the other benefits, don't forget to subscribe and get the free guide on my account. If you have trouble sleeping at night, kiwi is also good for you. They're rich in serotonin, the happiness hormone that helps you sleep better throughout the night. But that's not all. Kiwi fruit also has amazing digestive powers. Because of their gentleness, you can finally say goodbye to intestinal blockages. They also provide natural support for your heart. Kiwi fruit is rich in potassium, which is good for your heart rate. Kiwis are truly a natural wonder, so don't forget to incorporate them into your diet. If you want to discover more about the secrets of natural healing, follow me. If you eat kiwi fruit every day, your body will change like this. What the doctor will never tell you, no. One, say hello to glowing skin. Kiwi fruit is rich in vitamin C, which is the secret weapon against skin aging. And guess what? They're also the superheroes of your immune system. Their antioxidants will protect you from nasty viruses and free radicals. Before I tell you the rest, don't forget to subscribe and get the free guide on my account. If you have trouble sleeping at night, kiwi is for you. They are rich in serotonin, the happy hormone that allows you to sleep well for a long night. But that's not all. Kiwi fruit has amazing digestive powers thanks to their gentleness. You can finally say goodbye to your intestinal blockage. They will also give your heart a natural boost. Kiwi fruit is rich in potassium and is a loyal friend of heart rate. Kiwis are a natural wonder, so don't forget to add them to your diet, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to discover more about the secrets of natural medicine. Follow me.